Hey, what's up? Welcome to Bless&Shine Detailing for another episode here. This one, I'm gonna do a headlight restoration. So this is the process I'm gonna do so the customers can see how it is, how it goes, and the process to do it. So in this episode, I'm gonna do a headlight restoration. So let's go. So this is what I'm gonna do. See this? This is really dirty. Here's crack too, so I gotta be careful. Do not recommend it, but hey, this is for you guys to see. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add water here, including to the sand that I bought with this small polisher, and then we're gonna sand it. Alright, we gotta be careful too as well. So let's do it. So we just switched for 2000 grits. So gotta wet it again. Always needs to be wet. And then gotta wet this here with the polisher. Just the grits here. Or the sandpaper. What I call it, wet sand. There you go. On 2. Speed 1. Always. It's better if I had the chair, but I didn't bring a chair, so dang it. Amazing. Just follow the process. Well, it's part of the process. Like that. Couple like that. Of course, when you're gonna see it, it's gonna look like that. So after you done all that, and you go for a little bit of polish. There are many ways to do it, but you want to do it in a safe way. You don't want to do the one with the toothpaste, because then you're eating it. You don't want to eat it. Alright, so now that I got everything, I'm gonna go ahead and polish this. Let me start with a little bit of cutting. I can see a little bit of, those things right there. From right there, let's see what it's gonna look like. Small dots. Like this. Put that down there. And then let's begin. Yep. Not gonna lie, it is looking 10 times better. Like I always say, that's the process. Let's go a little bit finer. So we're gonna go with the fine polish. Spread it out, and let's do this. That is really looking good. Let's go a little bit finer. Just a little bit, not as much. Gonna go with the ultra finish. This is just a hair restoration, Imagine when you want to do full paint, and that is the key, and that is the goal. So it's just these, and now phone again. Now that I wet sand and polish this side, and I spread one of the erasers, just because we want to take any residue on the polish, whatever residue is there they have left. Now the only thing that's left is to add protection. So in this kind of time, this is what we're gonna add. Like for this company, for me, very good. Why? Because I live in Florida and it works with the heat. So even though it's October over here, still hot though. So this will work perfectly. And anybody who is in my channel always knows when it comes to waxing, we're applying, not cutting. So always put a pad that's for application, softest one you can get, and always keep in speed and warm. Now we wipe. Sure that protection is there. And it also gives it that good gloss on. Alright folks, and that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and please share, like, and subscribe, and all other my social media. I really appreciate the support. We're still going strong, and these headlights are really looking real bright, real clean. Customers are very satisfied with it. So that's all the process, and hopefully see you in the next video. Have a good one.